I've never had anything like this happen. It felt like pickup almost. But to start a game down 15, getting starting lineups and stuff like that, knowing you're down 15, it's just a weird dynamic. But it is what it is. Obviously I think we cut it down to 10 in the third quarter. But, we just couldn't hit shots when we needed to, and they did. I mean, that's who they are. They were in the finals for a reason. Give them a lot of credit. I'm playing on a back-to-back. Being thrown into a back-to-back and being able to still come out here and just kind of put us away. So it is what it is. I'm really thankful for this off day tomorrow because we play every other day. So, we have an off day tomorrow, a couple days, and then we got Chicago coming in, which is another big game. So it is what it is. It's a weird, like I said, it's a weird situation. Like, you wish that the circumstances could be different, especially playing at T-Mobile, which is a dope arena. It's my first time here. But, it is what it is. Credit Washington. They did what they were supposed to do, coming here as front runners, and they put us away.
This situation's been lingering for a long time, Kayla. Is it kind of, regardless of the outcome, good to get it out of the way?
Yeah. No, definitely. It's definitely just good to know that it's over with, and we can just focus on the rest of our season, focus on getting players back healthy, just being able to thankfully have these games at home. We have 3 in a row now, 3 big ones: Chicago, Connecticut, Atlanta, stuff like that. So we're just excited to be home after being on the road for a while, and then All-Star break. I didn't really have a break, so I'm really thankful, like I said, for the off day. Back to the drawing board, back to the grind, because we got more teams coming in ready to beat us.
You mentioned playing that T-Mobile. How did you feel about the fans rocking the house?
Oh yeah, it was dope. It was just great that they were able to come out for us, and that's what I was telling them in the huddle. I was like, let's just play as hard as we can for the fans. Who cares about the score, whatever. If they're gonna show up and show out for us like this. It's T-Mobile. It's not even our house. Obviously, it's still a little different than Mandalay. We love Mandalay. It's smaller. It really feels like it's really packed all the time. So we love playing there. But just the fact that our fans were able to show up for us, even for 20 minutes, it's a really humbling feeling. T-Mobile has been dope too. Their hospitality, they showed nothing but love too, from the ushers to the security, everybody. So it's just been continuous Vegas support as always. So just feeling humbled about it. Wish we could have got a win for them. But
last question from you. Did Coach say come out, start this game as if it was like 0-0 or?
He was just saying come out and try to make a dent, try to get back into the game. I thought we had a couple good looks in the beginning that we could have made more of a dent in the beginning of the third quarter. But like I said, we cut it to 10, bumped some big shots, things like that. But we just couldn't get over the hump. And it's hard, it's hard being down 15 at the beginning of a game or whatever. So I don't know. Like I said, it's a weird dynamic. I'm just glad it's over.
Glad it's over.
Thank you, Kayla.
Yeah,
Regroup and come back for the stretch.
Yeah, definitely. Just so get a little bit of a rest. 2 good days of practicing, and then we got 3 home games. So back at the house, which we're excited about. And then hopefully we can string together some wins together. Hopefully get Asia back and Liz. So it is what it is. Like I said, I'm just excited for this off day. That's really what I'm thinking about.
Just gonna do what